So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to walk you through my first property that I just purchased, which is this one. I'll walk you through all the numbers that I have estimated, that I have personally estimated ahead of time before buying it. And I'll give you the numbers now. And then as time goes by, we're going to go step by step. And I'm going to, at the end of how much I'm actually paying for renovations, you'll see. And then you'll find out exactly how much I'm going to rent it for. And then we'll find out exactly how much I get it appraised and refinanced for. And then we'll see if I have a successful BRRRR. All right. So I bought this property for $33,000. Okay. With the closing costs and everything, it turned out to be around $34,500. It was about $1,500 for the closing cost. I'm estimating $15,000 in renovation costs, and just tacked on an extra $5,000 to that, to costs that I might not be aware of. Maybe a $5,000 surprise somewhere that I'm not aware of. So $20,000 for renovation. This is a two-family house. It's got two-bedroom apartments in it, and I'm estimating that my rental income is going to be $1,450 for both apartments, which is not bad at all, I think, for a $54,000 investment. I'm planning on the appraisal to come in somewhere in the $90,000 range. It should appraise for. If it appraises less, I think it'll be all right. It actually might appraise for a little more, but the 90,000 looks like it where it's supposed to appraise for. And if I get 80,000, if I get 80% out of that refinance, I should find myself with $72,000, which that will leave me with a $17,500 profit margin, and with the expenses of the mortgage and everything that I allocate towards capital expenses and all the minor expenses, I like to put aside. I was told to put aside 60% for all those things, and 40% should be my profit on the property, which comes out to about $580. So $17,500 plus $580 a month. Not bad. Let's see if it really goes that way. All right. I'll see you in the next video.